Okay, let's see if we can find the surface area of a rectangular based pyramid. Right? When you look at these kinds of problems on paper, you're going to see a 3D shape. And that can be confusing, especially when you're trying to find area. So the best thing to do is to start off by making your diagram. That helps you understand the problem, right? And that's the first step in any situation. Understand. So let's make our diagram. We're going to start off with the floor. It's the easiest part to draw. We're going to draw the rectangle. And then we're going to add the walls. The walls are made of triangles. And in the paper, the diagram on your paper, of course, there'll be dimensions or measurements. This one looks like it has a width of 6 by 6, and the slope height is 7 centimeters. So that's the actual height of the wall. So let's make sure we include those in our own diagram to help us understand, right? So remember, the height of the triangle is 7 centimeters. That's different than the height of the pyramid. Those are the walls, right? So from the bottom to the top is 7 centimeters. Now let's lay it out as a plan. We have one rectangle. We do that by multiplying the width times the height. And then we're going to multiply the width times the height and divide by 2. That gives us the area of our triangles, right? So we have one rectangle and we have one triangle. Oh, wait a minute. We don't have one triangle. We actually have several triangles. There's another one right there. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles, right? And now we're ready to start solving. Before we do that, let's just go back and take a look at our plan. We have the rectangle. We have 4 triangles. Now remember, the area of a triangle is the width times the height, right? So the 6, let's put it right here. The 6, that's the width, and the height, of course, is 7. And it's not a rectangle, right? It's a triangle. So we want to divide that 6 times 7. We want to divide that by 2. All right, so keep that in mind. That's what we're going to do here. So here we go. 6 times 6 is 36. And let's start simplifying before I multiply. That makes 21. That's the area of one triangle. And of course, we want to multiply that by 4, right? Now, we're going to add those together. We got one rectangle and 4 triangles. Add them all up. So let's start off by doing what's 4 times 21. Let's see, 4 times 21. Well, we should be able to do this. It's 484. And now we need to add the rectangle and the 4 triangles together. So 36 plus 84, that's going to give us 120. 120. Now that is going to be the area of one rectangle and 4 triangles. But let's go back and check and make sure we've got everything included. First of all, I want to make sure I have my units written down, or centimeters, and we're doing area. And yes, I have the rectangle included. And did I include 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles? Yes, I did. 4 triangles. So it looks good. Okay, we've understood, we've made a plan, we checked that plan, we solved it, we checked again, and we are done. Congratulations.